Welcome. This tutorial is going to be about the stroke palette. Although it sounds pretty simple, there's quite a bit of complexity you can do with your strokes. So if you don't have the palette up, go to Window, Stroke, and it brings your palette up here. So the basics are choosing a line that you've drawn, and the color of it is always controlled by your swatches right over here. So we're just going to talk about the structure of the stroke. So obviously you can change the weight of the stroke, make it big, little. This controls the end caps. So this one right here is end right at the line, and then this one is round the corners off. This one is extend the end past the line. Usually you just want that one on the end. This right here, the miter limit, is when you have a stroke with a corner, usually like a triangle shape. So I pick the stroke, and this miter limit controls, just by cranking up the value a little bit, you see I get the nice point. If I go a little bit lower, it turns into that. So whatever your desired effect is. The other thing is the alignment of the stroke to the box. In this instance, I select this box, and I told it I want it centered. So the stroke is centered over this box shape. But if I want to go on the inside, choose that. If I want to go on the outside of the box shape, I can choose that. This right here, the join, is how the corners will look. Obviously, this is just a straight corner. I could click a little bit rounded, or I could truncate it off like that. Now for the rounded feature, you usually would want to just do that up here with the rounded corner box. But it is there available to you. So that's it for part one. Join me with part two, and I'll give you a few more options that you can use in the stroke palette.